Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're tired of messy luggage or struggling to fit everything into your backpack, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best packing cubes for a 40-liter backpack, carefully selected for their design, durability, organization, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Adventure Waterproof Packing Cube. The Adventure Waterproof Packing Cube is built for travelers who demand both toughness and organization. Designed with hikers, campers, and adventurers in mind, this set includes 4 cubes, 1 large, 1 medium, 1 slim, and 1 small, so you can organize everything from clothing and accessories to travel essentials without cluttering your backpack. What really sets it apart is its IP65 rated waterproof zipper system, which keeps your gear dry even in wet conditions. Made from 100% ripstop, puncture-resistant fabric, these cubes can withstand heavy use and rough handling without tearing. The smooth gliding zippers open and close easily even when the cubes are fully packed. Each cube is designed to maximize space in a 40-liter backpack, compressing your clothes neatly and keeping them wrinkle-free. Whether you're separating clean and dirty laundry or sorting gear by type, these cubes help you stay organized while saving space. They're also rugged enough to carry individually, making them versatile for outdoor or minimalist travel. Travelers love how sturdy and truly waterproof these cubes are, noting they keep clothes dry even when exposed to light rain or splashes. Many appreciate how the seams stay strong after repeated use, and others mention that the cubes make unpacking at campsites or hostels much faster. Number 2. Compression Packing Cube Set. The Compression Packing Cube Set is for travelers who like to pack light but smart. Using a dual zipper compression design, these cubes let you flatten bulky items like jackets or sweaters by up to 60%, freeing up more space inside your 40-liter backpack. Each set includes multiple sizes, so you can dedicate 1 cube to shirts, 1 to undergarments, and another to smaller accessories. The ripstop polyurethane fabric is lightweight yet incredibly strong, providing water resistance and long-term resilience. Double stitching and reinforced seams add strength to handle heavy loads without bursting. The compression system also helps maintain organization. You can easily separate clean and dirty clothes or pack complete outfits together for quick access. When you need extra room, the expandable zipper lets the cube expand again, flexibility that's perfect for trips of any length. Frequent flyers praise these cubes for saving them from overweight luggage fees, saying they can now fit a week's worth of clothes in a single carry-on. Users also highlight how durable the zippers are, noting they slide smoothly even when the cube is packed tight. Some mentioned they were skeptical about compression at first, but were amazed by the results. Overall, travelers call them a must-have for efficient, organized packing. Number 3. Osprey Ultralight Packing Cube. Next, the Osprey Ultralight Packing Cube, a top pick for travelers who value sustainability as much as performance. Made from Blue Sign approved 100% recycled nylon, this cube reflects Osprey's commitment to eco-friendly travel gear while maintaining exceptional quality and durability. The lightweight build keeps your load minimal, which is ideal for backpackers managing weight in a 40-liter pack. The J-zip opening allows for fast access to contents, while the simple rectangular shape ensures efficient stacking within your bag. Osprey designed these cubes to work seamlessly with their other travel accessories, giving you a customizable system for clothes, tech, and small essentials. Despite being ultralight, the fabric resists tears and fraying even after multiple trips. It's perfect for those who want to keep everything in its place without sacrificing weight or eco-conscious design. Reviewers love how feather-light yet strong these cubes are. Many note that they add virtually no weight to a backpack, but make organization effortless. Eco-minded travelers appreciate the use of recycled materials and comment on Osprey's reliability. Some mention the cubes could use a compression option, but most agree their simplicity and quality make them a staple for minimalist travel. Number 4. Peak Design Packing Cube Medium. At number 4, the Peak Design Packing Cube Medium delivers premium craftsmanship and smart functionality. Built from ultralight, weather-resistant 70D VersaShell ripstop material, it keeps your clothes protected while remaining incredibly light and compact. This cube's genius lies in its expandable design. It compresses down to hold 8 liters or expands to 18 liters, giving you total control over how much you pack. Inside, a movable divider separates clean and worn clothes or heavier gear, maintaining organization even during long trips. The materials feel premium, combining a nylon poly exterior with neoprene panels for extra stretch and protection. The intuitive zipper pulls and clamshell opening make packing fast and easy, while the sleek design ensures it slides perfectly into any 40-liter backpack. Peak Design's focus on sustainability and repairability means this cube is made to last for years of travel. Travelers love how the internal divider keeps clean and dirty items apart without needing extra bags. They praise the durability of the fabric, saying it resists stains and moisture well. Many call it the Tesla of packing cubes for its smart build and attention to detail. A few find it pricier than competitors, but nearly everyone agrees it's worth it for the quality and lifespan. Number 5. Veken Packing Cube Set. Finally, the Veken Packing Cube Set, a favorite for travelers who want a complete, budget-friendly solution. This set includes multiple cube sizes for clothes and accessories, plus a laundry bag and a hanging toiletry organizer for added convenience. Made from durable twill polyester, the cubes feature strong stitching and smooth zippers that resist jamming, even when packed to the brim. Mesh panels on top allow visibility and ventilation, helping you quickly identify what's inside while keeping clothes fresh. The included hanging toiletry bag offers 5 compartments for personal care items, while the laundry bag doubles as a lightweight backup pack, perfect for separating dirty clothes or storing extra gear. The cubes fit perfectly into a 40-liter backpack, helping you utilize every inch of space efficiently. Whether for weekend getaways, business trips, or international travel, the Veken set simplifies packing so you can spend more time exploring and less time unpacking. Users love the versatility of this set, often mentioning how it helps them stay organized on long trips. Many appreciate the breathable mesh tops and smooth zippers, saying they perform just as well as premium brands. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best packing cubes for a 40-liter backpack. Each of these options helps you stay organized, save space, and simplify your travels, whether you're backpacking through cities, heading on a weekend getaway, or just trying to pack smarter. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more smart travel gear tips and tech recommendations. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.